A Pakistan-based expert has expressed optimism about China's economic prospect in 2023. But Dia Shawkat, an economic consultant at Sustainable Development Policy Institute, said that given the size of the economy and supporting policies, China's economy is witnessing good signs.
Chinese market is within itself is a big economies of scale, and now since the policy has been relaxed, I see a lot of foreign investment coming into China to play their role in order to meet the global demand, especially in order to enhance the export, and of course they will be having relatively much lower cost in China. So I see it as a good sign for Chinese economy in 2023 to reach its target growth.
The expert also said China's digital economy, green economy, together with its tech products, have given advantage to China's economy and contributed to the development of the world.
Definitely, Chinese digital economy is not only going to play its role, but it is already well equipped within itself. We will see a huge boost and a very relevant and significant contribution from Chinese digital economy towards the whole world digital economy. You will see an increase in Chinese export, especially in electronic and tech products, as well as green economy. So because of this big economy of Chinese, we will see a lot of small countries getting out of their troubles. The Chinese economy is now big enough that different economies is gonna take a benefit of its progress. So I think on the whole world, it's gonna be having a positive and very significant impact